Hey, what's up, crew? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Serrano. Hope all is well. So today we're going to be taking a look at a product that's actually going to help you when it comes to taking care of your oral health, because a lot of people don't know it, but like me, you're pretty much sensitive when it comes to most toothbrush bristles, and you might be depleting your gum lines. And so yeah, now more than ever, it seems like more people are open to more information about taking care of your body when it comes to your fitness, taking care of your diet, even optimizing your sleep patterns. But there hasn't been talked enough about when it comes to cleaning and taking care of your oral hygiene. So yeah, hopefully this video does help you with that. And by the end of the video, I could at least help one person. But make sure you guys stay locked into the end of the video. If you're brand new to the channel, I truly appreciate you for coming through if you're new. But if you're already a part of the crew, salute. Welcome back to another video. Hope all is well. So yeah, one of the things that I think is going to extremely improve your oral hygiene when it comes to 2026 is a product by RANVOO, which is called the AirJet X5. And this is going to be a extremely innovative and breakthrough technology, which is the industry's first jet powered gum care electric toothbrush. And so yeah, the RANVOO AirJet X5 is going to be $149.99, and obviously you can actually increase the package based off of which warranty you select when it comes to the checkout process. But yeah, you're basically gonna have 3 different brush heads. So you're gonna get the gentle gum brush head, which is my favorite, the multi-action clean, which is for daily care, and then you're also going to be getting the stain polishing power whitening head included in the bundle. The RANVOO AirJet X5 is going to offer you 4 modes. The first is foam, the second is soft, the third is cleaning mode, and the last one is the whitening mode. And so yeah, I have been using the RANVOO AirJet for a number of years now, and this is their newly released color, which is going to come in this pink color, but they also have blue, purple, white, and the gray color, which I previously had. And so yeah, I don't see any differences between this one compared to the gray one that I had, but I definitely think this is going to add a little bit more character, especially if you aren't in tune with the gray color that they originally released last year. And so yeah, the key feature about this is the technology of AirJets, which provides a deep clean using micro bubble technology, which is going to deliver that, especially when it comes to getting between teeth and in the gum line as well. It's going to also feel like you're flossing because it's going to remove plaque and debris inside of the tight spaces of your teeth, while also eliminating hidden plaque and buildup that causes bad breath in those areas. And so not only does it offer that deep clean, but it makes brushing painless and effortless. It gives you like a macro dental cleaning that you can do at home consistently, and it's ideal for people with braces and sensitive teeth. And so yeah, I definitely think that with the 3 different brush heads, you can find the right fit when it comes to your daily care, especially if you suffer from irritation when it comes to bristles. You are someone who has gentle gums and doesn't like it to experience that discomfort. It's going to reduce irritation as well as improve daily care. And so yeah, I really like the convenience of this thing. It lasts about 60 days, and I like the fact that the charging station is basically very minimal, and it connects to any place that you want to attach it to. So it has this magnetic piece that has a sticker that you could connect to the wall, and it'll magnetically connect with the charging setup. So this is pretty awesome when it comes to neat, cleanly environments, as well as improving your hygiene. This is going to be effective when it comes to protecting your gums and your overall care when it comes to cleaning your teeth. It's going to reduce bad breath and plaque buildup, which is something that's very important when it comes to keeping optimized hygiene when it comes to oral care. So the other thing I took note of when I was using this was that the vibration from the toothbrush wasn't overly aggressive, so it didn't feel like it was irritating my gums. It felt comfortable, and it definitely was very gentle but also effective at cleaning at the same time. So I was pretty impressed with the AirJet technology and the way that it, took care of those small little areas that are hard to actually reach when you're brushing. So yeah, this definitely came in handy. Obviously it had that touch screen, so you can select whichever mode was more optimal at that particular circumstance or situation. And so yeah, in real-time use, I found this to be very helpful every day. Not only did it eliminate the need to overanalyze how I was brushing and where I was brushing, but you basically use this thing without worrying about the nuisances of brushing every day. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about the RANVOO AirJet X5 in the comment section. Would you pick one up to improve your oral care? Let me know down below. But if you're still here, just type down in the comment section, I'm still here, so I know you're still kicking it with me. And I just want to remind you to hit the like button so we can get this video out to more people. And yeah, hit that new hype button down below so we can get this video out to a wider audience. And I'll hit you back. I'll check you guys later. Namaste.